Sunshine in northern England, North Wales, and just recently along the south coast of England as well. That's the picture from here at the moment. However, that's really worked to our advantage. If we'd had wall-to-wall sunshine, it would have been extremely hot and very oppressive. Now, it's going to be a warm night as it is, 20 degrees maybe at the minimum in some places. That was the case in Leeds last night, and nowhere probably lower than 15 on the mainland. There's going to be further rain for Scotland, I think, in Northern Ireland, and throughout the next day, that band of rain will drift slowly southwards through Northern Ireland in towards southern Scotland, possibly just touching Anglesey and the borders of England. In fact, for the next 2 or 3 days, that band will wander southwards, finally leaving the country later on Friday evening, so the weekend starts with us under the influence of a high-pressure cell, which brings normal summer weather, which does not mean rain for this country, just means sunshine that won't be quite as hot. Thursday, though, will start fairly cloudy, although even from the word go, there's probably going to be some sunshine, maybe in southern England and eastern England, a little further north, so that band of rain will be there, as you saw earlier. The cloud will probably break quite readily for many places, just a few coastal areas staying dull. There'll be patches of cloud around, but I think more sunshine than we saw today. Then the rain will start drifting southwards, largely light, I suspect, and by the very end of the day, maybe brighter weather returns to Northern Ireland and that central part of Scotland. There's a very small chance equally of just seeing a thunderstorm running up through Normandy, but I think that's where it'll stay. Temperatures are going to be on the very hot side in the sunshine, hot and humid, very oppressive. It'll be fresher further north, principally in Scotland, and you might see the temperatures drop, for example, in Glasgow and Belfast as that cold front eventually goes through. On Friday then, the band of rain keeps moving southwards through northern England, North Wales, eventually the Midlands, and very late in the evening the southeast of England. Behind it, the sun comes out with some pretty heavy showers for western Scotland. Hot and humid then still in this southeast quadrant, much fresher with more reasonable temperatures for much of the rest of the country. And that takes us into the start of the weekend, which looks like being pretty fine. A good start and a good end to Saturday, the showers dying out in Scotland, temperature down to about the low 70s. For Sunday, a very similar story, but rain returns